Hi everyone, how are you? I am Yusuf and today I will show you step by step how to install and configure setup a new Thomson TG585 version 8. For installation, connect the DSL modem to telephone. Make sure that the telephone cable is connected into the back of your DSL modem in the LAN port and also connected to a telephone in the wall. And when you pick up your telephone, you should then have a dial tone and connect DSL modem to PC with Ethernet cable in the LAN port. Open a browser and enter 192.168.1.254. First, click Thomson Gateway configuration, then click Setup My Thomson. You'll open a new page. Welcome to the Thomson Gateway, easy setup. Next, click next. Select a service, of course PPP, not bridge, for DSL. Next, click next. Route to PPP, next. Now for VPI VCI, ask your ISP, the internet service provider, about your VPI VCI and username and password for your account. VPI VCI may be 8.35 or 0.35. Username, you can get it from your ISP, the internet service provider. For example, L capital letter 1, 2, 3, or D 6 numbers, and that at IDM, at Siberia, at Sodatel, depend your ISP. And password, the same thing, you can get it from your ISP. Click next. When you finish, next. Access control, leave it blank, the password. Username, administrator. Next. Start or click start for configuration. Completing the Thomson Gateway, easy setup, finish. Okay. If you like my video and to stay up to date with my latest video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.